Hi beautiful, welcome back to another tutorial video, and today we are going to be making your 4C afro wig. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Glory. So the hair we are going to be using today is the Expression series, and we are going to be crocheting this hair to our dummy cap in order to create the most natural looking afro you've ever seen. Like, this is going to look exactly like your hair. It's going to be a replica for your natural hair. So the whole process is super easy. I am going to let you guys watch the whole video to see for yourself. Please, I am begging you, watch this video from the beginning to the end in order for you to be able to do this on your own. Thank you guys. So guys, while you're watching, I have something to tell you all. So I found the song currently playing on the internet, and I'm like, who sang this? Like, this song is good. Like, I connected so fast to the song because of the lyrics. Everything was just so in place. It was sung by Ebony Janae. So I decided to look for her on the internet, and I messaged her on Instagram. I'm like, please, I want to use your song for my YouTube videos. I was really scared. I thought she was never going to respond, honestly guys. But the funny thing is, she did, and God, I've never spoken to a celebrity, but I felt I felt good. I felt proud of myself for reaching out to her. So I am going to drop the link to the song in the description box. If it's something you like, if it's something you connect to, you can download the song directly from the link I will be dropping. And you can also follow her on YouTube. I know you can follow her on YouTube. She's here on YouTube as Ebony Janae. You can follow her on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. The only way you can help me say thank you to her for responding.
Don't you ever be ashamed, and you'll shine, and you're gonna be happy in your skin, happy with your curves, happy that you can say words no longer hurt, happy with your smile, happy with your style, happy with your kinky curls, your blackness. I just want you to see that if your gums aren't pink and your edges aren't asleep, that don't mean you're any less pretty. Hey, that little brown girl, I just want you to see that you are a queen from your crown to your feet. You are the essence of beauty. Little brown girl, you are so beautiful to me. I hope you see. To all my beautiful little brown girls, please know that you are strong enough to conquer the world, and realize that you're melanated, educated, often imitated, but you're never duplicated. So believe me when I say that you are powerful, you are worthy, and if you're passionate, it doesn't mean you're angry. So keep your head up and let your voice be heard, cause you are everything and more that this world.
If you want to watch other tutorial videos, I'll be leaving a link at the top right corner of this video on how to make crochet ponytail, how to make crochet braids, and other things you can easily do on your own without spending so much money. This channel is all about saving you some coins and helping you work on things yourself. You can start doing this for sale. You know, it's actually a business idea to start. All you have to do is find people that are ready to buy and crochet these things for them and get paid. Please don't forget to like this video, leave comments behind in the comment section if it's something you're going to try, and if you have other hairstyles you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section. And share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit on that notification bell to get notified each time I post new videos. And this is it. This is your big 4C hair. I spritted it with water to make the tangling very easy, and I trimmed the edges to make it look as natural as possible. this is a replica of my hair. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys